Go, Gabe! Binibideo mo ako? Yan po ang aking mga tanga. Si Jamie, yan po si Isabella, yan po si Princess. Ay, Diyos me, ano ginagawa nila? Yan yung mga patanga ko. Ang cute nila, no? Yeah, I love them so much. They're so dumb, but they're mine. Yeah, we're in Highlands right now. It's really fun. Kung saan na sila pupunta. Ay, Diyos me, merong horse. Ang ginagawa nila. Also, there's a butterfly over there. That's nice, yeah. Ay, pinupuntahin nila yung kabayo ko, ay.
Whenever I see girls and lanterns on the street. Hindi kita mali.
Sige, sige.
Welcome to my lair, child.
Aray ko, aray ko, aray ko. Ow! Oh.
Ready na?
Yeah.
Bo, ano yung sasabi mo, pare? Okay, wait, right, go, go. Tagal mo naman. Okay, Biggie Berry and Gipish Nigang. We are here today to celebrate their wedding, and they are going to be skibidis for all eternity. And now, do you, Gabay Sinigang, take Biggie Berry to be your beloved wifey mommy?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, very good. Put
I object! I stop the wedding!
Why do you
You are
object,
too
Mary?
boring! You are not so skibidi!
Oh yes, quite a beautiful afternoon, isn't it, guys?
This is our tea. Yeah, guys, have some tea.
Oh yes. Have a beautiful. Oh, everyone. Ding 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 ding. Everyone, I have made the beautiful tea.
Look at my food. Kano ko meron ng tea?
Please place your teacups down. Place your teacups down. Your teacup. Your teacup. Give me your fucking tea. I don't drink it.
Give me my tea! Dinner na
Okay.
ako.
Shut up! Okay, now we shall have our beautiful tea party together. Wala pa! Hoy, may photos! May photos pa tayo! Ba't Sige ulit. Put your teacups down. Yung teacup niyo may patos pa tayo, puta. To today's afternoon. Repeat. To today's afternoon. Clink. Clink, sabi! Clink! Ako pa Why? Tingnan mo yung bata, oh.
Mga animal.
Hi, tulog.
Guys, meron ako.
Mana to? Mataan to.
Ito guys, si mga ito po kasi monkey yan. Ito ahas, ito deer.
Mas monkey ka.
Ito yung monkey. Guys, ito pa yung
Video. It might get monkey.
Ari ko. My show!
Give me back my
No!
phone, monkey. Hoy, ahas. Ay, joke. Hindi! Yan yung monkey Ito yung ahas. Tapos yun. Dora! Ha? Ano yung sinabi ko kanina? Ikaw pala yung deer. Ito yung ahas. Hi guys, we're visiting Vion right now. We're in the snowy area. Yeah, it's so... Ang lamig dito guys. Ang lamig! Ano?
In the Philippines.
Kasi height ko tong tree na to.
I need to go! Are you gonna poop so bad?
No! Hi guys, ang lamig po kasi dito. We're visiting Vion right now. Hindi ko to na-kidnap, I swear. Bye, Jamie! Jamaica, Mama, we love you!
Hi everyone, it's me Isabella. These are my two. Oh my god, these my stupid friends. I still love them, guys.